Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the latest update on how to reply to messages from a group chat on Instagram using your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to stay connected with your friends and family. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is your gateway to all your direct messages. Click on it to open your message inbox where you can see all your conversations. Now find the group chat that contains the message you wish to reply to. This could be a lively discussion among friends or a family group chat. Whatever it is, click on that conversation to open it up. Once you're in the group chat, scroll through the messages until you locate the specific message you want to respond to. Here's where the new update shines. When you hover over that message, you'll see a reply icon appear next to it. This icon looks like an arrow pointing left. Click on this icon to initiate your reply. Now it's time to write your message. A text box will pop up, allowing you to type out your response. Take a moment to express what you want to say clearly and concisely. Finally, once you've crafted your message, simply click Send. Your reply will be shared with everyone in the group chat, ensuring that everyone is kept in the loop. And there you have it. Replying to messages and group chats on Instagram from your PC is now straightforward and efficient, thanks to this new update. Stay connected and engaged with your friends effortlessly. Happy chatting!